Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Rogue Sport. The Nissan Rogue Sport is a subcompact SUV that provides all the functionality. A smooth ride, lots of cargo room, and a roomy back seat is a recipe for a pleasant traveling experience. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, power mirrors, traction control system, wheel covers, outside temperature gauge, backup camera, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, cruise control, power door locks. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.